Hello friends, welcome once again to your own channel, How to Know. Today I'm going to tell about the announcement on the Git.io. So here you can find the new listing of the tokens or any giveaways going to be announced over the Git.io. As you can see here, Git.io latest announcement is Git.io startup initially free offering like a Pocket Network (POKT) and announcement for of a free distribution rule 40,000 POKT free of charge. It means you if you want to buy this token then it will be free of cost totally. Then again next announcement is Gate.io listing Glimmer GLMR deposit and trade to share 50,000 US dollar. Okay, so if you want to buy this, then you can also buy here, and you just need to be a VIP user. Then, if you want to how to be a VIP user, you can see my more video in the list, and I will also give the link in the description section where you can find the how you can be a VIP user on the Get.io. So. Third one is the Git.io has launched a new version of the liquidity mining pool bonus for the real NFT icons and pods and free references, automated market and with the concern. Then other things is Git.io listing over the 255 Fair network. Other than this, if I'm going to tell about like this offering in detail, just I have to click over here. After clicking, a page will be open. Here you can find all the detail of this, like if you want to click on or join this startup network, then you have to click on here this link. Okay, and you can read here about the Gate.io startup free airdrop program. In order to reward platform user, Gate.io launched the startup project free airdrop program. Okay, here like it's a program where all the new tokens are going to be list or going to be list as a giveaway and giving multiple offers on the listing on the initial offering. Okay, then you can see here a free airdrop for the excellent blockchains project are launched in the startup area from the time to time. VIP and GT user can get a variety of the token via the airdrop benefit. So as you can read here, just you need to be a VIP user. Okay, for the participate in this startup initials, just you need to be a VIP user. So to be a VIP user, it is very simple. Just you have to go in other video I have made already on this topic, and you can easily be a VIP user. So introduction part I will not read here. So I would like to give information about the token. Like the token name is POKT, token symbol also POKT, and maximum supply is like 650000, and token type is native token. Token contract currently is not applicable, and token distribution and unlocking rule pre-seeds is 11.6923%. It means if you are buying this token, it will grow automatically by 11%. So you can see 1 year lock-off from purchase, and then you will get direct sell 12% profit on the sale, and much more offer over here. You can see. Okay, so the startup sale rule is here available. So here it is, as you can see, duration will be from the 8 a.m. on the 11th January. It will start from the 11th January and on 12th. Okay, and to participate in the startup sale, user will be need to be a VIP user, and as I already told you. So price will be $0. Okay, and reference price will be $2. Startup supply is can be buy on $2 is 40,000 POKT. Purchase limit is maximum purchase subscription limit for a single user is 1,000 share. a single user can buy 1,000 share of the POKT. And the relationship between the VIP level and maximum subscription allocation is the maximum number of subscription equals to the square of the VIP level multiple for the 10. Okay, if the VIP 2 user subscribe 2 times of the 10, it equals to total 40 shares they can buy. If a user having VIP 3, then he can buy 3 multiple of 10. 3 multiplied 9 and 90. Total 90 share he can buy. If a VIP user is having 1, then he can buy only 10 shares. Okay, so here unlocking rule is unlocked. So much more the option over here is given. So to participate in, just first of all, you need to be a part of the Gate.io. So to sign up on the Gate.io, just you have to click on the link given in the description section. After that, you have to enter my referral code on that, or you can if you are signing up by using link, then it will be automatically written on the referral ID box. So you will get also 10% bonus on each and every trade, and you will get a relaxation of trading fees of 10% on each trade. So hurry up, get sign up on that uh, on the Gate.io and start earning. Thanks for watching. Thanks for